Alright, here's another example of finding the area and perimeter of irregular shapes, such as this one. Well, of course, as usual, the first thing we want to do is that we want to cut this irregular shape into different regular shapes. Well, how do we do that? Well, if you take a look, if we connect this side, and we connect this side, well, hey, we come up with 3 different regular shapes, 2 rectangles and 1 triangle. This is going to be rectangle R1, this is rectangle R2, and this is triangle T1. Well, okay, well, if we want to find the perimeter, just add all the sides of this irregular shape together. So that's going to be 22 plus 9 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 8 plus 2 plus 6 plus 10. Well, this is going to be equals to what? Well, let's see. 22 plus 9 is 31. 31 plus 5, 36 plus 3, 39. Plus 2, 41. Plus 8, 49. Plus 2, 51. Plus 6, 57. Plus 10, 67. So this is 67 feet, which is the perimeter of this irregular shape. Now, what about the area? Well, same as usual, the area of any regular shape is going to be the sum of all the regular shapes. So the area of this one is going to be, area of the first rectangle plus the area of the second rectangle plus the area of the triangle T1. Okay, well, we know the area of a rectangle, which is length times width. So for the first rectangle, the area is going to be 8 times 2. So for this one, for the second one, the area of the second rectangle, well, this is where we have to be a little careful because we already cut this irregular shape into different pieces. So we have to label all the sides, which I should have done at first, but oh well, let's do it right now. So let's see, if this entire side is 22, then parallel to this, we have 6 plus 8, because this is 8, this has to be 8. 6 plus 8 is going to be 14. 14 plus 3 is going to be 17. If this whole thing is 22, and this is 17, what the leftover here is going to have to be 22 minus 17, which is just 5 feet. So the base of this triangle is 5 feet. Now, what about the height of this triangle? Well, the height of this triangle is going to be this entire parallel side of 10 feet. Subtract what we already know about this parallel side. Well, for this entire parallel side, we know that this portion is 5 feet. Well, if the entire opposite side is 10 feet, the entire opposite parallel side is 10 feet, and this portion here is already 5 feet. Well, 10 minus 5, this part here, which is the leftover, is going to be 5 feet as well. So the area of the second rectangle is going to be what? Well, it's going to be 10 multiplied not by 22, but by 17, okay? Because remember that if this side is 17, then this entire parallel side is also going to be 17. So 10 times 17. Now the area of a triangle is 1/2 multiplied by the base, which is 5, and multiplied by the height, which is also 5. Okay, well, we have, let's see, 10 times 2 is going to be 16, plus 10 times 17 is going to be 170. 1/2 times 5 times 5 is going to be 25 over 2. So we have 16 plus 117 plus 25 over 2. Okay, well, let's see. 16 plus 170 is going to be 186 plus 25 over 2. Finding the common denominator, this is going to be 2 times 186 divided by 2 plus 25 divided by 2. let's see, 2 times 6 is 12, right? 2 keep 1. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17, right? 7 keep 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So we have this, plus 25 over 2. Common denominator, keep it as 1, add the numerator, so we have 7, 9, and 3. And this is feet square. And this is the area of this irregular shape.